how to use Linktree. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use Linktree. So let's get started. First, open up your favorite browser and type Linktree into the search bar. Click on the official site, that's Linktree. Once the page loads, go ahead and click on the sign up for free button at the top right corner. Now you'll be taken to the sign up page. You can either enter your email and create a password or sign up quickly using your Google or Apple account. I'll go ahead and sign up with Google. It's fast and saves you a couple of steps. Once you're signed in, it will ask you to choose a username. This username will become part of your Linktree URL, so make sure it's something relevant, especially if you're using Linktree for your brand, business, or content. Type in the name you want, and if it's available, click continue to move forward. Next, you'll be asked to choose a plan. Now, by default, you'll be on the free plan, and honestly, it's pretty solid. It gives you the ability to add unlimited links, generate QR codes, use the shop tab, and connect your social accounts. That's more than enough for most creators and small businesses. But if you're someone who's serious about growing your audience, or you need more in-depth features like analytics, link scheduling, email and phone number collection, or advanced customization options, then the Pro or Premium plans might be a better fit. The Pro plan is great for content creators and even comes with a 30-day free trial, while the Premium plan is geared toward businesses that want full control and deeper insights. For this walkthrough though, I'll stick with the free plan and click join for free. After this, Linktree will show you a few template designs. These are pre-built layouts you can use to make your page look polished right away. You can skip this part, but I'm going to choose one I like. I'll go with this one because I really like the color combo. Next, Linktree will ask you to pick the platforms you're active on. Since I create content for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and X, I'll select those. It just helps tailor your setup a little better. Alright, now we're on the page where we can start adding our links, the main purpose of Linktree. Let me go ahead and add my Instagram link first. I'll paste the URL, then type in a title like follow me on Instagram. Then I'll do the same for my YouTube channel, paste the link and give it a title like watch my latest videos. These titles are what people will see when they visit your Linktree page. What's great is that even on the free version, you can add unlimited links. So feel free to add all your important content, your blog, merch store, donation page, other socials, whatever you like. Once your links are added, Linktree will guide you to the profile setup section. Here you can add your name, a short title, and even a bio. Linktree might pull this info automatically from your connected accounts, but you can edit it however you like. You can even use AI suggestions to help you write something catchy and professional. I'm happy with what it pulled from my YouTube, so I'll just leave it for now. And that's it, your Linktree is now ready to go. You'll see a preview of your live page. All you need to do now is copy your unique Linktree URL and share it across all your platforms, Instagram bio, email signature, Twitter profile, or even on printed materials like business cards. Let's try it out real quick. I'll paste my Linktree link into a new tab, and there it is, all the buttons are showing up. Clicking on YouTube takes me straight to my channel, and the Instagram link does exactly the same. Everything works perfectly. And that's how easy it is to set up and use Linktree. Whether you're a creator, small business, or just someone trying to organize your links, this tool makes it super simple. That's it, and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.